Hey guys, welcome back. Finally we got some latest Geekbench scores for the upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra running on Exynos 2200, and this is quite shocking. Samsung will be announcing these devices early next year, and most of the people are excited for the Exynos variant with the AMD GPU. And further we will be talking about some more updates regarding the S22 Ultra, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So many of you will know that Samsung is doing something different this time, whereas now the company has decided to launch S22 series more with Qualcomm chipset instead of Exynos, which means at least 70% S22 model will come with Snapdragon 898 aka Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and only 30% of the model will run on Exynos 2200. Seems like only the European market will get the Exynos 2200 variants with AMD GPU inside, and whereas markets like USA, Korea, African and even Asian will get the Qualcomm Snapdragon devices. And this is something no one expected, as Samsung always release more Exynos units every year. Now talking about the Geekbench Performance, Galaxy S22 Ultra recently spotted on benchmark side, and the scores are pretty strange. In terms of single core performance, it got only 691, which is very low considering the Snapdragon variant for the Galaxy S22 Plus, which got way higher than this. These are early units and the performance might be changed after the final software, so we just have to wait for the launch. Again, heating is the only thing which will be deciding which CPU performs better than the other. We all know that this year every other Android flagship with Snapdragon 888 or with the Exynos 2100 release heat quite a lot, due to which performance of the phone significantly drops, which is not so good for the end consumer. Now the best part is Galaxy S22 Ultra will come OneUI 4.0 based on Android 12. Lots of amazing features, new and better animation and dynamic theme support, by which users can change the color of the icons or the interface according to their preference. Talking about some features, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will offer a 6.8-inch large curved display with 1440p resolution, 2x dynamic AMOLED panel and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. So the display will be top notch here, where according to some rumors, this will be the brightest display ever which Samsung will be adding to their flagships, so the outdoor visibility will be great. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any question related to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and if you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more regular tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.